Today on AFOL TV, we're building part 2 of our LEGO Kitchen series, and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. Alright guys, so as mentioned in the opening, today we're doing part 2 of our LEGO Kitchen series. This one is going to be our intermediate build, and we're going to do everything including the fridge, we'll do the little coffee maker in the back, the stove with the hood. We're going to do the whole thing. The only thing we're not going to do is the very bottom bases. As you can see, these are the plates you'll need. I'm going to show you how to do the tile, but again, it's up to you to swap the colors and the tiles for what you need for your own build. These are the ones that I picked for this build, but again, you can use pretty much anything you want. So let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We release new content every week. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.